Okay. Hello, lower school families, or any family for that matter. I shouldn't say lower school families. I want to thank Morgan and Taylor for playing this game with me. I want to thank Mackenzie for videotaping. We're playing Go Fish 2 is the name of this game. It's a subtraction game. Go Fish 10 is another version. That's an addition game. This is subtraction. You're going to take a standard deck of cards. You're going to remove the kings and the jacks are not in this game. You do keep the queen because the queen will act as 0. The queen is your 0. Ace is 1. The goal is to be able to come up with the difference of 2. So we're going to deal everybody 4 cards, and it's standard Go Fish. Like I said, you're trying to come up with the difference of 2. Okay, so if I say to Morgan, Morgan, I have a 5. I'm hoping you have a 3 because I know 5 minus 3 is 2. Thank you.
Morgan, do you have a 4 because I have a 6, and I know 6 minus 4 is 2.
Go Fish. I have these to start off with. Taylor, do you have an ace? Because I have a 3 and I know that. That was fast.
So the game is already over in that situation because Morgan got rid of all of her cards. If she didn't get rid of all of her cards, you would keep playing it out until everybody else had a chance to play. Thank you very much. Also realize that with Morgan getting that, for that round, I would have had 2 points, she would have had 4 points, Taylor would have had 0 points, and so then you can play for a total of 20 points, 30 points, whatever you want, because you would add her 2 plus 2 together because she has 2 piles of 2. Thank you very much.